I'm actually quite finicky when it comes to endorsing brands. I've made a conscious decision to make sure that if there is a product that I endorse, people can have complete faith in the product because I have said yes. Um, to maintain that standard, there's a lot of due diligence that I do on the product. And when this product was offered to me, I normally ask for the ingredients and I read the back of the pack first before I give my nod. And in a juice packet, all that you require is juice and is real fruit. So if it has additives or color or sugar, um, preservatives, which most of the Tetra Paks, if you see the back of the packet, has, um, it is a complete no-no for me. So when you see this packet, it just says, where is it? Ingredient is just one, pomegranate juice. That's it. So for me, that was the factor that played the most important part. And I said, there is no reason for me to say no. So I just think it's important for people to understand how important it is to choose the right product on the shelf. There are lots of juices, and lots of people buy juices, but I hope that by me endorsing this juice, people would have the faith and pick up this product because, not because I'm doing it, but because it truly is a very good product. बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है हाइड्रेटेड रहना गर्मियों में स्पेशली. तो आई मेक श्योर कि मैं नारियल पानी पीऊँ, पोमोग्रेनेट जूस पीऊँ बी नेचुरल का, बटर मिल्क पीऊँ, छाछ, और ये सारी चीज़ें, नींबू पानी बहुत आसानी से बन जाता है हर घर में. तो आई वॉन्ट टू इनकरेज पीपल इन डूइंग थिंग्स दैट आर नेचुरल और जो बहुत ही आसान तरीके से कम शक्कर के साथ अगर आप इंजेस्ट करें गर्मियों में तो बेहतर रहेगा. आई थिंक इट गिव्स यू मोर एनर्जी एंड आई थिंक मोस्ट पीपल आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट कॉन्सेप्ट एज वेल.
Shilpa Shetty Kundra to be here, to be part of our brand, and I think she's articulated the brand philosophy so well, and she embodies the philosophy of the brand. So we are really grateful to her to be our ambassador, and also despite being a little under the weather, which she says doesn't happen to her usually because she's so fit, and still taking the time to be with all of us. Coming to your question in terms of how do we look at the synergy of ITC as a group, we are a diversified group, as you are well aware, and in the food business itself, in fact, when we came into the food business, the genesis of it was in terms of looking at the diversity that ITC had. So we had a very successful hotel business. We had a successful agri-business going on. And we looked at what is it that we can bring together and create this food business. So when you look at, recently we have just launched chocolates, Febel. In fact, there is a small counter here in this hotel as well. And the entire crafting of that chocolate has happened by our hotel master chefs. So similarly, when we look at any product that we put into the market, we take I was talking about spices, the blended spices before, in a response to one of your questions. And the blending of that spices was done by our master chefs. Then we look at the sourcing. The sourcing happens through our agribusiness division. And we have a distribution organization which actually is able to make the product available across the country, which is another part of the synergy. And of course, we have the business which actually builds a brand and the product development and stuff. So it's a very, the synergy that we have is fairly unique to this Indian company. Thank you.
ऐसे रोल्स मुझे कभी ऑफर ही नहीं हुए, अनफॉर्चुनेटली. आई थिंक वक्त भी बदल चुका है where actors are challenged with very meaty roles. And to do full justice to those meaty roles, they either put on meat or they reduce their meat. No, I just think that health पे इसका कोई असर नहीं होता because there are ways and means of putting on weight. अगर आप एक stipulated time period के लिए वो चीज़ कर रहे हैं, और losing weight and putting on weight, actually losing weight is a science. It's not rocket science. और जैसे कि मेरे बुक में या जो मैंने अभी digitally मैंने शुरू किया है, लोगों को समझाना और एडुकेट करना द शिल्पा शेट्टी चैनल के ज़रिए से कि अगर आप सही तरीके का खाना खाएं और ख़ुद पकाएं, बिकॉज आजकल क्या हो रहा है, एवरीबडी इज़ डूइंग गोइंग डाउन दिस रूट ऑफ क्विक फिक्सेस कि सब कुछ रेडीमेड चाहिए लोगों को, लोग पैकेट के पीछे का पड़ते भी नहीं हैं, और बहुत लोग काम कर रहे हैं, वो मेहनत कर रहे हैं. At the end of the day, they don't want, a lot of working women don't want to come back and cook for their families. So I just feel that there are ways to make things, and if it means कि आप बना के, मेरी मम्मी जो काम करती थी, मेरे मम्मी डैडी दोनों काम पे जाते थे, हम लोग ऐसी मिडिल क्लास फैमिली में पले बड़े, तो आई अंडरस्टैंड द प्रेशर्स ऑफ a normal housewife. And my mother used to leave the house at 7, go to Ballet Pier, come back by 7:30 in the evening. But on Saturdays, वो उस वक्त तो किराने की दुकान भी नहीं होते थे जहाँ पे आप फ़ोन करके घर पे मंगा सके. But I remember on Saturdays she used to go and she used to buy, सब्ज़ी वाले के पास जाती थी, चिकन के लिए या मच्छी खरीद के लेके आती थी 5-5 किलो, and she used to make it and she used to freeze it. तो पूरे हफ्ते एक दिन मच्छी मिलता था, एक दिन चिकन मिलता था, एक दिन मच्छी मिलता था, एक दिन चिकन, और जो भी सब्ज़ी बनाना होता था उनको वो फ्रेश काम के बाद आके पका के हम लोगों को खिलाती थी. सो आई जस्ट थिंक देयर आर वेज ऑफ डूइंग इट रादर देन पिकिंग अप रेडीमेड फूड. यूड रादर और घर में अगर आप पका के फ्रीज़र में रख भी रहे हैं तो वो ख़राब चीज़ नहीं है, क्योंकि हमारे इंडियन स्पाइसेस जो हैं वो एक्चुअली नेचुरली और होलिस्टिकली प्रिजर्वेटिव्स है. जो हल्दी है, जीरा है, पुदीना है, लेमन है, वो नेचुरली चीज़ों को प्रिजर्व करता है, ना कि जो एडिटिव्स आजकल मिलते हैं दुकानों में. सो आई जस्ट थिंक कि, और हर चीज़ को वो घी या वेजिटेबल ऑयल में पकाती थी, कोकोनट ऑयल में पकाती थी. आजकल हम लोग इन सारी चीज़ों से दूर भाग रहे हैं. तो आई रियली थिंक दैट दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप इन माइंड. आपका सवाल क्या था? मैं पूरी डाइग्रेस हो गई हूँ.